Hello, fellow YouTubers and e-bikers. Welcome to iScoot Connecticut. I'm your host, Robert G. My Nakto F4 has arrived. Nakto has been in the e-bike business since 2016, so you're not dealing with a company that will be gone tomorrow. This is their new model. It's a moped-style cargo bike with a step-through frame, 750-watt motor, and a 20-amp-hour battery. The first thing I'm going to do is inspect and photograph the shipping container. If it turns out the bike is damaged, both Nakto and the shipping company, in this case FedEx, are going to want to see photos of the box. This particular box looks okay considering it came from the other side of the world. Let's cut this tape and straps so we can take a peek inside this box. Some YouTubers will cut the side of the box open to get a better view, but I'm trying to save the box for the rare situation that the bike will have to be returned. This is our first peek inside. Some of the styrofoam has been broken and shifted. It could be because FedEx had the box upside down coming off the truck, but everything looks to be okay. I'm going to go get my neighbor and see if they'll help me lift the bike straight out of the box. Here she is. Isn't she beautiful? The first thing you'll notice is that the front wheel and both fenders are already installed. Nakto is one of the few companies that does that for you. It's a big help as that can be a cumbersome step. Please be very, very careful taking everything out of the box. The Ziploc bags contain hardware that you'll need and are very easy to lose. At this point, I even missed a small bag containing the rear reflector, but was able to find it later among the styrofoam. I like to attach the handlebars as the first step. The F4 has BMX-style bars, and you can adjust the angle to fit you better. Remove the 4 bolts and stem faceplate. Place the handlebars on the stem. Replace the stem faceplate and the 4 bolts. Finally, tighten the 4 bolts in a star pattern. The display comes separate but is very easy to attach to the handlebars with the supplied screws and spacers. The screws for the display are very small. Please do not lose them. Okay, we're on to pedals. This is my favorite part of assembling a bicycle. If you're not familiar with bicycle pedals, they are specific to each side. This is the right side, and they have standard threads. You can put a little lubricant on the threads, but do not put Loctite on the threads. I added a little white lithium grease to the threads off camera. The left side pedals are reverse threaded. Turn them counterclockwise to tighten. Nakto only supplies you a reflector for the rear of the F4. I'm going to put it on for now, but I will upgrade it to a battery-operated light in the spring. I might even have a battery-operated light left over from another project. I'll have to check in my garage. These rear passenger pegs just spin on. I do not plan on carrying a passenger, but they should protect the bike in case of a spill. So go ahead and put them on. The yellow version of the F4 ships with a huge rear basket. It is designed to carry a DoorDash or Uber Eats cooler bag. I'm going to put it on for now, but eventually I might replace it with a basket that does not stick out so far. The bike is all assembled. I may have skipped showing a few steps, but I wanted everyone to get a good idea of what is involved and the level of effort with assembling the Nakto F4. Now I'm going to go through some of the important features of the e-bike. The headlight is old school motorcycle style. It is powered by that main e-bike battery. Later on, I'll do a night riding video to show how bright it is. The F4 comes with a water bottle cage pre-installed. It's a nice little extra feature. The seat is a moped-style fixed seat. It fits me well and is comfortable. You might be able to get a longer seat if you're willing to give up having a rear rack. If you got the yellow version of the F4, you got this large rear rack. The battery on the yellow F4 is 48 volts, 20 amp hours. The green F4 is also 48 volts, but only 16 amp hours. You can charge the battery on the bike or remove the battery and charge it inside. The tires are 20 by 3 inch with a hybrid tread pattern. I like these better than the 20 by 4 tires because they're lighter and have a lower rolling resistance. The front suspension is adjustable with lockout and preload. I have it set to the softest setting right now. The rear suspension is dual air shocks. I am not sure how to adjust them. If anyone knows how to adjust these, please let me know in the comments. The brakes are Zoom mechanical disc brakes. I've already been out on the bike and they actually work very well. The motor on the yellow F4 is 750 watts, nominal 1000 peak. The green F4 is 500 watts, nominal 750 peak. Very loud electronic horn. The color display is bright and easy to read. I will be doing a follow-up video showing all the features and functions of just the display unit. Well, I hope everyone has enjoyed this video. I just wanted to give everyone my first impressions of and experience with the F4. I am really liking it so far. Check out Nakto's website for pricing, detailed specifications, and official assembly instructions. Please subscribe to my channel. I plan to do a series of videos with the Nakto F4 and really test its performance and reliability. You don't want to miss those.